Candy and Scott, Episode 4, Nightmare.
Candy, is that you?
How could you?
What?
You have been given a gift, and yet you choose to be selfish. You choose to not help people. How could you?
Candy, what are you saying?
Scott, you have powers?
Have you been lying to us?
Mom, Dad. No. I swear I was gonna tell you. I'm just too scared. I'm not brave enough. I'm just a kid.